Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. I'm showing you the new update on Jurassic World Alive. So, what used to be, you could only ever reach out to your middle circle. You could never touch those kind of bases. But now, with a new update, you can actually go to these supply drops that are further away, so long as it's within your actual out there range, the 150 meters, or 200 if you pay for it. The further out you go, the less you get from the supply drop. So the closer you are, you would get more from it. But I mean, it's really nice that I can sit in my office now and still be able to collect all these things. Even though it might be less, every once in a while if I load up my device, I can get 5 or 6 now instead of just never one. So even kind of cool, you can actually even hit a strike event. And that's kind of unheard of. Cool. Even these kind of things. I already reached my coin limit for the day, so it doesn't give me anything. So not just being able to attack dinosaurs, you can actually attack and get resources from the supply drops. Cool.